Inside the T129, a closer look at Turkey's advanced combat helicopter.
I would pray for you, I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room.
The T129 Multirole Combat Helicopter, designed and manufactured by Turkish Aerospace Industries, is one of the most advanced and versatile attack helicopters in the world. In this video, we'll explore its capabilities, features, and interesting details that make it a formidable weapon on the battlefield.
You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my
T129 is a tandem-seat, twin-engine helicopter that can perform a wide range of missions, from attack and armed reconnaissance to precision and deep strikes. Its powerful engines and advanced avionics allow it to operate in all environments, day or night, and regardless of weather conditions.
So catch me if I fall.
The cockpit of the T129 is designed for maximum situational awareness and ease of operation. The pilots have access to a wide array of displays, sensors, and weapon systems that allow them to control the helicopter and engage targets with precision and efficiency.
So catch me if I fall.
Speaking of weapon systems, the T129 is equipped with a lethal arsenal of guns, rockets, and missiles that can take out a wide range of ground and air targets. Its integrated electronic warfare suite and self-protection systems make it a hard target to hit, even in the most hostile environments. But the T129 is not just a weapon of war. It also has advanced maintenance and support systems that ensure maximum readiness and reliability. Its modular design and easy maintenance procedures reduce downtime and increase mission availability, while its logistical support systems provide timely and efficient spares and repair services. The T129 has already proven its worth in various combat operations around the world, from Africa to Asia and beyond. Its hot and high performance, maneuverability, and firepower have made it a favorite of its operators, who praise its agility, reliability, and lethality. In conclusion, the T129 Multirole Combat Helicopter is a true marvel of modern engineering, combining cutting-edge technology, advanced weapon systems, and excellent performance in a sleek and lethal package.
So catch me if I fall.
Thanks for watching.
Heart erase. So catch me if